In this video, we will learn how to define network zones based on ASN. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard, navigate to Security, and then Networks. From here, click on Add Zone and Dynamic Zone. Type in the desired zone name. Change the IP type and the location to what is needed if you want to block access from a specific network. You will need to use a third-party tool to find the ASN and paste it in the ISP ASN field. Then, click Save to save the changes. And that is how you define network zones based on ASN. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.